What's up, buddy? This is Lucky. Welcome back to my channel. I suggest you to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so you will never miss any video from my channel. Without further ado, let's get started with today's video. English typing is an important and basic skill that everybody should learn, especially in this digital age. I request you to share this video to as many people as you can. So this is first class on English typing. Learn the basics and rules carefully. I'm gonna give you practice set 1 today. Rule 1. Don't look at the keyboard while you are typing. Rule 1. Don't look at the keyboard while you are typing. Keep looking at the monitor. Rule 2. Speak the letters out loudly while typing. Rule 2. Speak the letters out loudly while typing. Place your left hand's little finger on letter A, your ring finger on S, your middle finger on D, index finger on F. Likewise, your right hand's little finger on semicolon L, K, J. Leave these two keys in the middle, G and H. You are not going to touch these keys. So, you have to practice like this. A, S, D, F, space, semicolon, L, K, J, space. You have to use your thumb fingers to click on the space bar. You should use your thumb fingers only to use the space bar. You should not use any other fingers. So, type like this. A, S, D, F, space, semicolon, L, K, J, space. Use your thumb finger to press space. Only one thumb finger. You have to practice this exercise for 1 hour per day for 4 days. 1 hour per day for 4 days. You can also do it 2 hours per day for 2 days. After completing this practice set 1, you have to start practice set 2. After completing this practice set 1, you can start your practice set 2. So just type like this. A, S, D, F, space, semicolon, L, K, J, space. A, S, D, F, space, semicolon, L, K, J, space. Speak out loudly while typing. So those home keys will be registered in your subconscious mind. Home key of your little finger is A. Home key of your right hand's little finger is semicolon. So likewise, these home keys has to be recorded in your subconscious mind. That's why you have to speak out loudly while typing. Don't try to pick up the speed now. Just concentrate on remembering the keys and those related fingers. Focus totally on remembering fingers and their home keys. Do it slowly. You will pick up the speed gradually with daily practice. Do practice daily. So practice set 1, it's A, S, D, F, semicolon, L, K, J, space. A, S, D, F, space, semicolon, L, K, J, space. A, S, D, F, space, semicolon, L, K, J, space. You should not lift your fingers like this from the keyboard. You have to try and keep your fingers as close as possible to the keyboard. Don't lift your fingers from the keyboard. Keep 100% focus and concentrate on practicing. Speed doesn't matter. Just focus on typing correctly. Type correctly and speed comes next. You should not lift your fingers from the keyboard. Practice for 10 minutes and take 10 minutes of gap. Practice 10 minutes and take 10 minutes of gap. Like this, you have to practice for 1 hour per day for 4 days or 2 hours per day for 2 days. Don't lift any fingers. Keep practicing daily. Look at the monitor while typing. Speak out loudly while typing. Don't try to change the positions or patterns I told you. Otherwise, you can't get good results finally. So there is a software in which you can practice your typing. Its name is Luke Typing Pro. You can download it from Google. Go to this channel, Techno Guru Amit, boost your knowledge. Go to this channel and you will find a download button here. Just click on the download button and wait for some time. It will take some time to get downloaded. So you are gonna see that download here. It's getting downloaded. It will take some time. Just wait for some time. So yeah, finally our Luke Typing Pro software has been downloaded. We are going to install it. Go to that folder, double click on it, and you will find this application. Double click on that and you will get this prompt. Just click on the S button and yeah, it will ask you to the storage. Just you can click on next. Already exists. I have already been installed that, but I deleted that in past, so I want to replace it now. I am replacing it, but you are not gonna get any type of prompt like this because you are installing that the first time, so you are not gonna get this prompt. Just click on yes and next. Click on next and install, and yes, it's getting installed. Just click on finish. So this is our Luke Typing Pro software. Just double click on it and open it. So this is the interface we are gonna see after installing our Luke Typing Pro software. As we are going to practice in English, just click on English. This is your practice set 1. ASDF space semicolon LKJ space ASDF space semicolon LKJ space. This is a basic version. That's why we are getting only 3 practice sets here. There are actually 18 practice sets and 37 articles are available in full version. You have to pay money and buy it for that full version. So in this Luke Typing Pro software, we will set up the timing. 1 minute or 2 minutes or 3 minutes. We can set up the timing and then we will start the test. Click on start test and start typing. It's wrong. So it will show you the red color word upside. So this is the red color word. That means you have typed wrong. So you have to continue from the next word. Semicolon LKJ space ASDF space semicolon LKJ space. You have to speak out loudly while typing. This will help you to register those fingers and those home keys in your subconscious mind. You have to speak out loudly while typing, like ASDF space semicolon LKJ space ASDF space semicolon LKJ space ASDF space semicolon LKJ space. Like this, you have to complete the typing. By the end of this timing, you will get a prompt like this. Your time is over. So click on OK and it will show you your accuracy. You are typing 90% accurate and you have given 49 keystrokes in 1 minute of time. You never deleted anything, so it is showing 0 keys in deleted. So net strokes 49 words per minute. You are giving 49 words per minute. By the end of your all practices, you will get the speed by 50 words per minute in 21 days. So this is our practice set 1. You have to go back after practicing. You can click on quit. And if you want to type in Word, you can open your Microsoft Word and you can practice your typing in Microsoft Word. If you don't want to download Luke Typing Pro software, it's comfortable in typing in Microsoft Word. Open the Microsoft Word and you can type over here. But the one disadvantage is you are not gonna see that wrong words here. It is not gonna show you where you have given the wrong word. So we just have to type like this: ASDF space semicolon LKJ space ASDF space semicolon LKJ space ASDF space semicolon LKJ space. Like this, you have to practice for 4 days, 1 hour per day. Otherwise, you can practice 2 hours per day for 2 days. Keep practicing every day. That will help you free up your fingers. This is our practice set 1. After completing this practice set 1, you have to move towards practice set 2. Before that, you should not move to practice set 2. I suggest you to subscribe my channel and share this video to as many people as you can.